So I wanted to make this quick video just sort of demoing a little project I've been working on. I wanted to build an app where you can play NTS Radio live channels and mixtapes and past episodes and stuff. There's not really a one-size-fits-all solution out there. I found out about NTS Radio a few weeks ago and I've been loving listening to it. I've got the app on my phone, but I found it doesn't really like AirPlay that well to my TV. It kind of just hitches and doesn't play. It doesn't Chromecast to my Google Home. So I was thinking it'd be good if I could have like a setup that's basically directly hooked up to some speakers and I can control it just with, pretty basic external controls and just kick off a stream or kick off an episode or something like that really quickly and easily. And then also have like a little nice pretty display to show you what we're listening to. So I've ended up vibe coding this web app that runs off this Raspberry Pi Model 3, which is super duper slow, and I've been finding it's okay most of the time. It is a little bit slow, so hopefully I can swap that out with a better model soon. But just to quickly demo how this works, I've got it hooked up to this rotary encoder, which for those of you who aren't into electronics, it is literally just a knob that you turn and you can also click it in. So I've got that hooked up. That's your primary way of like using this app. So you can press and hold on it, and that gives us like this interactive mode. Let me just drop the brightness a bit so you can properly see it. So now that we're in interactive mode, we can switch between the different pages. Page one's got their two 24/7 live channels. So we can pick this one to listen to. So you can control the volume with the knob as well. You can also pause it and resume it. So we can have a look around. They've got these infinite mixtapes as well, so we can click into that one and check this one out. And then if you want to, you can also go down to past episodes, which are, I think they categorize them as moods. Or you can also, if you keep going past moods, they've got genres listed here, so you can pick a genre and maybe we'll try and look for something jazzy. Jazz. There's a very good mix I was listening to the other day, this one. So it's a bit slow to load up these past episodes, mainly because it's talking straight to SoundCloud, and I think it has there's something running on the Pi that is quite heavy. Like it works fine on my Mac, but the Pi is kind of struggling with it. But yeah, after a few seconds, the stream loads up and we can listen to it. You can pause it as well. You can't fast forward or rewind. I haven't implemented that, and I'm kind of struggling with the idea of how you do that with the encoder. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this is panning out. I'd love to be able to bundle all of this into the back of the screen somehow. Like I might have to 3D print an enclosure to do that, but if I could bundle it all in and get it hooked up to my speakers, like I'm 90% of the way there. This is great for me. I think once I clean up the code a bit, because it's all vibe coded, clean up the code, set up proper list of instructions to help other people get it set up. I'll post it on GitHub, but yeah, for now I just wanted to sort of demo it and show it off because I'm really happy with how it's panning out. So yeah, cheers.